Yo, what is good, Savage Squad?
Gang, gang, gang.
Alright, so today we're gonna be eating some Subway, a bag of chips, and some cookies from Subway.
Here's the cookies, and we got a bag of onion rings and a drink.
Alright, so first I'm opening these bag of chips.
We get the both same stuff, by the way. Just mine has pickles on it.
Look, guys, smell that. Oh my god. Chips are so fucking good. Let me have one of these.
I'm opening up my sub, guys.
Let me open mine.
This is what it looks like.
Hell yeah.
Steak and cheese.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
We both got steak and cheese, just I have pickles on mine. And we have a lot of sauce. I got white chip macadamia cookies, and he got, what cookies did you get? Raspberry?
I got raspberry cheesecake.
Yeah. And we have, what, Dr. Pepper?
Dr. Pepper. Let me help you guys. Look at that. Man, it looks good. Telling you guys, this is good. This is really good. Look at that sauce just dripping out of it. Oh, this is good.
You should try this sandwich.
That's a herb and cheese. No, this is good.
Get every single sauce, almost.
Man, look at that. Look at that sauce right there. Oh, make that right there. So juicy. You gotta be smacking. Cause it's so good, like, you guys gotta hear that. Oh, you gotta grab these, one of these chips. Gotta.
Look at all that sauce.
That shit's good. Check this out. Hear the crunching. Ready? Oh my god, it's so good.
Look at the sauce is dripping out, man.
Man, that Dr. Pepper. Hits the spot. So good. And if you want to get a little creative, guys, just grab one of these chips, put it in your mouth.
Also, let us know what type of videos you guys want us to do.
You just mix the chip with this sandwich, and man, it's so good.
Yeah, it's onion rings. We got it from Publix. It's cheaper to buy that bag versus going to Subway and buying a little tiny bag for the same price. Actually, the bag at Subway is more expensive, isn't it? It's like $1 or something.
A little bit.
This is a 99cent, so.
Look at that.
Mmm. Mmm.
Man, I hit the spot. Guys should get some Subway and get that Charlie herb and cheese. When you go to Publix, get these onion rings for $1. $1? Man, this shit's good. Really good.
$1 make you holler. My eye itches. Look at those pickles.
Man, that's just good.
Mm.
Oh, that was so good. Got my other one. Man, look at that. Look at that.
One, you might not eat everything.
Mmm.
So, we eat as much as we can. Because we're not going to overdose ourselves on so much food where we get sick. Like a lot of people do.
Look at that. Mmm. We know you like that.
Mm.
Especially when you're eating some chips that are dry. This Dr. Pepper is your friend.
Yeah, I just got my nails done like 2 days ago.
That's really good.
I'm getting full.
What? Telling me. It's really good. I'm getting full myself. Not quite yet though. Gotta get a few more bites.
Sandwich like this fills you up. I mean, not like big, but it has a lot of sauce, like mayonnaise, ranch, chipotle. What else?
We got sweet onion, honey mustard. We got oil and vinegar, salt and pepper, oregano, Parmesan cheese. Man, it's busting. So good.
And black olives.
Oh, black olives. You can't forget that.
We love black olives. And he didn't want pickles, so I put some pickles on
Oh,
mine.
you heard that, guys? Man, that burp was so good. So I'm done for now. With the sandwich, gonna get some more chips. Man, this is good. Look at that. So good.
Let us know in the comments down below if you want to see more videos with him in it.
Comment down below. It gotta be at least 20 people had to tell me that y'all want me in the video still. If y'all do that, I'll keep, post it. I'll be in the videos all the time. There has to be at least 20 people. Comment down below.
I'm the one doing it, so let me know.
So comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and, tell us why. All right. Bye, Savage Squad.
Bye, Savage Squad.
Peace.